Okay, so welcome to day number 23. And the day number 23 is all about magical air. Magical air. Look at this picture. The name of the chapter is The Magical Air That We Breathe. The magical air that you people breathe. We breathe. Right? Look at this picture. Beautiful picture. What do you see? There is this tree, and some magic is happening on that tree. Why this magic is happening on this tree? Because this tree is giving what to us? This tree is giving what?
Eight.
Air, oxygen, day night 24 by 7.
Fresh oxygen.
These trees are giving us oxygen. Can you guys imagine if trees stop giving oxygen, what will happen? What will happen? But trees never ever say that मैं आज नहीं देता ऑक्सीजन, कर लो जो करना है. Do they say like that? कि आज मैं ऑक्सीजन नहीं देने वाला. Let's see what happens. Do they have that kind of ego? No, only we people have that ego. Guys, have you ever imagined? Sometimes I think, have you ever seen that universe? Universe. Imagine that there is a picture of universe in front of you. Where you are in that universe. Can you guys imagine? There is this picture of universe. वो यूनिवर्स कैसा दिखता है? वो स्मॉल स्मॉल डॉट, स्मॉल स्मॉल डॉट्स, कितने मतलब हजारों लाखों करोड़ों, वो स्मॉल स्मॉल डॉट, वी ऑल आर देयर, वी ऑल, एंड वेयर आर वी? उसमें हम कौन है? कहाँ दिखाई भी दे रहे हैं? और ईगो हम रखते हैं इतना बड़ा, मैं ये, मैं वो, मैं लाइक दिस, मैं ये कर सकती हूँ, मैं ये कर. ईगो देखो इंसान की कितनी हाई. और कहाँ पे उस यूनिवर्स में कोई है? कुछ कोई औकात है हमारी? समटाइम्स आई थिंक दैट, सॉरी फॉर यूजिंग दैट वर्ड, बट समटाइम्स आई थिंक लाइक पूनम कहाँ दिख रही है तू? कहाँ मतलब? लोग भी कई बार कहते हैं मतलब कितना ईगो लोगों का होता है, और कहाँ है हम? इतना छोटा सा बिंदु, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल स्मॉल, एक नोक नोक भी नहीं है हम. Right? We people have only that kind of ego. Trees, they don't have ego. Rivers, they don't have ego. The universe doesn't have ego. The God doesn't have ego. Right? The earth doesn't have ego. कि मैं ट्री नहीं उगाती है. Trees doesn't, tree, they don't have ego. They are just giving and giving and giving. The mother earth giving, giving, giving. Rivers, oceans giving, giving, giving. Trees giving, giving, giving. एक दिन ट्रीज डिसाइड कर लेना कि आज ऑक्सीजन नहीं देनी, तो इमेजिन क्या होगा? एक दिन रिवर्स डिसाइड कर ले कि आज मैं पानी नहीं देती, क्या होगा? सो समटाइम्स आई थिंक ना, लाइक समथिंग इज वर्किंग, समथिंग अमेजिंग इज वर्किंग, एंड वी पीपल आर लाइक नथिंग. और बातें करते हैं बड़ी बड़ी. Yeah, so look at this. Some magic is happening. The magical air that we breathe. Do you remember those Corona days when we had to buy that oxygen cylinder? Too costly, too costly. Oxygen, oxygen खरीदते हैं हम लोग. And the universe is giving us free 24 by 7. We are using that oxygen, we are using that air, we are breathing day night, when we are sleeping, when we are like awake, every time 24 by 7, the day since the day we were born till the last breath of our life, we are going to use this oxygen. But we are taking it for granted. क्या हो गया? ट्री है तो, अरे यार थैंक यू बोलो. ट्रीज का थैंक यू बोलो. पानियों का, नदी का, झरनों का थैंक यू बोलो. Make it a habit. Be habituated of doing all these things. It is quite possible to leave your home for a walk in the early morning air and return a different person, beguiled, enchanted. Beguiled, enchanted, मतलब full of joy, full of energy, like something wonderful, something magical. Be a different person. When we come back, so we are different person. If someone had told me a few years back to be grateful for the air that I breathe, I would have thought the person was crazy. Yeah, it happens. अभी अपने नेबरहुड में बोल के देखो किसी को, कहीं हमें ना हवा का थैंक यू करना है. जब भी बोलोगे, आर यू मैड, आर यू गोइंग क्रेजी, आर यू क्रेजी मैन? Are you going crazy, baby? What happened to you today, Ishita? हवा को कौन थैंक यू बोलता है? Yes, Sonam. Right. So are you crazy? But we have to do it, guys. We don't have to take anything for granted. It wouldn't have made a bit of sense to me. Why on earth would anybody be grateful for air they breathe? Why we have to be grateful? People will say that you are crazy, man. But as my life changed from using gratitude, the things that I look for granted or didn't give a second thought about became an absolute miracle to me. I went from sweating the small stuff in my little world and day to day life to opening my eyes and thinking about the bigger picture and wonder of the universe. So she's talking about the whole life. She was just talking about the gratitude as my life changed because her life changed slowly, gradually, step by step, one by one, day by day, month by month, year by year, if we start doing practices like that. As a great scientist Newton said, when I look at the solar system, I see the earth at the right distance from the sun to receive the proper amount of heat and light. This did not happen by chance. See, have you ever seen the synchronicity of sun and moon, sun and stars, sun and earth, all the planets? They people are moving on their own orbit. थोड़ा सा भी इधर उधर हो गया. Can you guys imagine what is going to happen? They people are working in the synchronicity कि उसको वहीं रहना है, उसको वहीं रहना है, उसको वहीं रहना है, उसको वहीं रहना है. They people are working in that way. थोड़ा सा भी इधर उधर हो गया. So we can't even imagine like what is going to happen. So those words made me think more and more about the bigger picture. It's not an accident that there is a protective atmosphere surrounding us and that beyond it there is no air or oxygen. It's not an accident that the trees give off oxygen so that our atmosphere is continually replenished. It's not an accident that our solar system is perfectly placed. The whole solar system, all the planets, and that if it were anywhere else in the galaxy, we would most likely be devastated by cosmic radiation. Each and everything, like everywhere there is the radiation, cosmic radiation. The whole universe at the top level, each and everything, their synchronicity, all the planets, sun, moon, star, they are working in their own orbit, right? We will be devastated. The whole galaxy will be devastated if there is like thoda sa bhi idhar idhar ho gaya. Everything will be devastated. There are thousands of parameters and ratios that support life on earth. All of them are on a knife edge. हम लोग सब लोग चाकू की नोक पे खड़े हुए हैं. चाकू की नोक पे थोड़ा सा भी इधर उधर हो गया. And their fine tuning is so critical that a fraction of a difference in any of these parameters and ratio would make life unlivable on planet earth. We won't be able to live here. We won't be able to live. It is difficult to believe any of these things could have happened by accident. No, nothing is accident. Nothing is by accident. Everything is planned. Everything is planned. Something is working. The higher power, the cosmic universe, like above, something is there. Something is there. It is difficult to believe any of these things could have happened by accident. No, it would seem that they are perfectly designed, perfectly placed, and perfectly balanced for us. So please underline this. This is very important. Perfectly designed, perfectly placed, and perfectly balanced. Sun, moon, stars, earth, everything. On my book, I have underlined so many things, but this is so powerful, perfectly designed, perfectly placed, perfectly balanced for us. Somebody has designed it for us so that we can live peacefully. When the realization hits you that all of these things might not be an accident, and that the balance of every microscopic element surrounding earth and on earth is in perfect harmony to support us, you will feel an overwhelming sense of gratitude for life, because all of it has been done to sustain you. आपके लिए everything is done for you people, so that we can sustain on this earth, so that the earth can be made livable, कि हम यहाँ पे रह पाएं. Their synchronicity, everything is so planned, beautifully planned for us people. But we should also show gratitude for that. Overwhelming sense of gratitude for life. We should have that gratitude. The magical air that you breathe is not an accident or a fluke of nature. It's not a fluke of nature. कोई नेचर की कोई इतनी छोटी सी कोई चीज नहीं है. इट्स नॉट बाय एक्सीडेंट. व्हेन यू थिंक अबाउट द इनॉर्मसनेस, उसकी विशालता को अगर हम समझते हैं, व्हेन यू थिंक अबाउट द इनॉर्मसनेस ऑफ व्हाट हैड टू टेक प्लेस इन द यूनिवर्स फॉर अस टू हैव एयर, and you then take a breathing air into your body becomes breathtaking in every sense of the word. इमेजिन कि अगर ये ऑक्सीजन खरीदनी पड़ती, भैया भैया 10 रुपए की ऑक्सीजन देना, भैया भैया 20 रुपए की ऑक्सीजन देना, भैया भैया 1,000 रुपए की ऑक्सीजन देना. इट वुड बी सो डिफिकल्ट. द होल यूनिवर्स, like the universe understands what do we need that we have to use throughout our life. So everything which is precious, जिससे हमारी बॉडी बनी है 5 तत्वों की, everything is free. Oxygen is free, water is free, like the soil, sand, और क्या होते हैं, आकाश फ्री. जो 5 तत्व होते हैं, एवरीथिंग इज फ्री फॉर अस. 5 तत्वों का जो शरीर बना है वो भगवान ने फ्री दिया है. इमेजिन अगर एक एक चीज खरीदनी पड़ती तो इट वुड बी लाइक, और वो जो हमें पूरी लाइफ यूज करनी है, इट वुड बी टू डिफिकल्ट फॉर अस. कहाँ तक खरीद पाएंगे पूरी जिंदगी के लिए? राइट. Okay, so when I first began to use gratitude's magical power, I used it for a lot of personal things that I wanted. So she started with personal things and it worked. But it was when I began to be grateful for the real gifts in life and that I experienced the ultimate power of gratitude. The more grateful I became for the sunset, a tree, the ocean, the dew on the grass, my life, and the people in it. Every material thing I have ever dreamt of having poured down upon me. I now understand the reason why it happened that way. Why it happened that way. When we can feel truly grateful for the precious gifts of life and nature, like the magical air that we breathe, we have reached one of the deepest possible levels of gratitude. And whoever has that depth of gratitude will receive absolute abundance. Absolute abundance. So whenever you see any tree, say thank you. Whenever you see any water body, say thank you. Whenever you breathe, there are many coaches, because I'm associated with some of the like organization where the people are making people breathe in such a way that they can heal your body by their own, by just doing breathing practices. By just doing breathing practices, if they have any problem in their lungs, in their kidneys, in their skin, each and every bod has that capacity to cure by their own, by its own, by doing only breathing practices. We have to do the breathing practice in such a way कि हमें वो पूरा lungs को अच्छे से भरना है, then we have to like release it. There are some practices like that. आर बॉडी कैन हील बाय इट्स ओन. हम अपनी बॉडी अपने आप हील कर सकते हैं इफ वी नो दैट काइंड ऑफ प्रैक्टिसेस एंड ऑल. एंड देर आर पीपल दोज हु आर हेल्पिंग अस इन डूइंग दैट. They people are doing only breathing practices and they people are charging in lakhs for that. Charging in lakhs for that. Today, stop and think about the glorious air that you breathe. Take 5 deliberate breaths and feel the feeling of the air moving inside your body and feel the joy of breathing it out. Take 5 full breaths in and out 5 different times today. And after you have taken each set of 5 breaths, say the magic words, thank you for the magical air that I breathe. and be as genuinely grateful as you can for the precious life giving air that you breathe. So what you have to do, whenever you get time in a day, 3 to 4 times, so you have to breathe 5 times. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, but you have to do it deliberately. You have to give time. So let's say in the morning, 5 breaths. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. 5. And in the afternoon, in the evening, and in the night. 4 times. 4 times. At least once in a day. Once in a, because we are doing this practice. So at least abhi to karna hai hame, because that is a part of, this is an exercise that we have to do. So it is best if you can do this magical practice outside. If you can do it outside, if you are sitting in a park or garden or in the balcony, so you can really feel and appreciate the magnificence of fresh air. But if that is not possible, then do it inside. If it's not possible for you to go outside because of this like weather, so you can do it inside as well. अभी तो देखो मैंने ना अभी एयर प्यूरिफायर लगाया बिकॉज द एयर क्वालिटी इन दिल्ली इट्स वेरी बैड. इट्स वेरी बैड. लाइक वो कुछ होता है ना, एयर एयर क्वालिटी इंडेक्स AQI in Delhi is like 700. My husband was traveling few days ago, and today also, like, he is in Lucknow. The air quality is far better than Delhi. In Chandigarh it is 150. और न्यूजीलैंड में तो माय हस्बैंड वाज टेलिंग AQI 25 होता है ना, 25. तो वहां पे तो वो अलर्ट लग जाता है, वो कुछ होता है ना, येलो अलर्ट और ऑरेंज अलर्ट, उसके बाद वो रेड अलर्ट हो जाता है. तो यहाँ पे तो 700 चल रहा है, मोर देन 700, 700, 800, और किसी को कोई फिक्र ही नहीं है. दे पीपल आर नॉट थिंकिंग इन दैट वे. बट इन न्यूजीलैंड काइंड ऑफ कंट्रीज, वो 25 AQI आते ही वहां पे अलार्म बज जाता है. अभी देखो ऑक्सीजन इज, लाइक, कैन यू इमेजिन हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट द ऑक्सीजन इज, दैट वी आर ब्रीदिंग डे एंड नाइट, डे एंड नाइट, डे एंड नाइट. और अभी देखो मैंने खुद एयर प्यूरिफायर, अदरवाइज आई नेवर थॉट यार एयर भी प्यूरिफाई करनी पड़ती है, उसको भी लगाना पड़ता है क्या. How harm we people are making to this, Mother Earth and each and every. Like sometimes I think that यार कितना हमने बेचारी मदर अर्थ को परेशान कर दिया है. पानी खराब कर दिया, हवा खराब कर दी यार. लाइक बहुत सॉरी, जितना सॉरी करें ना उतना कम है. एटलीस्ट वी हैव टू बी ग्रेटफुल कि वट एवर वी हैव टू बी ग्रेटफुल. Okay, so you can close your eyes while taking the breaths, and you can do it with your eyes open. It's up to you. You can do it while you are walking, waiting in line, shopping, or anywhere at any time you want. The important thing is to deliberately feel the feeling of the air going in and out of your body. You have to do it daily. When you are breathing in, so you have to be thankful. When you are breathing out, you have to be like deliberately in कि कुछ हो रहा है. It's not just for the sake of कि कर दिया बस, मैम ने बोला क्योंकि ये प्रैक्टिस है, वी हैव टू डू इट, दिस इज नॉट अ रीडिंग बुक, दिस इज अ डूइंग बुक, इसलिए हमको करना है. नो, डेलिबरेटली यार, अच्छे से उसको प्यार से मतलब ग्रेटिट्यूड करना है. राइट. The important thing is to deliberately feel it. Yeah, so I was, yeah, breathe the way you naturally breathe, because this magical practice is not about your breathing but about your gratitude for the air you breathe. If taking a bigger breath helps you to feel more gratitude, then do that. If it helps you to make a sound or mentally say the magic words thank you as you breathe the air out, and then do that. If you want, you can also do a variation of this practice in the future by imagining you are breathing in gratitude and filling yourself up with it with every breath you take. सो यू कैन ब्रिंग सम वेरिएशन, इट्स अप टू यू कि आपको इसको कैसे करना है. अंदर करना है, बाहर करना है, ग्रेटिट्यूड के साथ करना है, जैसे करना है, इट्स अप टू यू. You have to make it magical in your own way. In ancient teachings, it is said that when a person reaches the point of being deeply grateful for the air that they breathe, their gratitude will have reached a new level of power, and they will have become the true alchemist. Do you know alchemist? The person who can transform your life from here to there. So you can become the true alchemist who can effortlessly turn every part of their life into gold. So you have that power. You can become the alchemist of your own life. You can change your life from here to there. So magic practice number 23. So count your blessings, 10 blessings you have to write. And for today's practice, 5 times today, 5 times. I have told you 4 times, at least 4 times. Morning, so that you can remember it. Morning, afternoon, evening, night. 5 times today. Stop and think about the glorious air that you breathe. Take 5 deliberate breaths and feel the feeling of the air moving inside your body and feel the joy of breathing it out. After you have taken the 5 breaths, say the magic words. Thank you for the magical air that I breathe. Be as grateful as you can for the precious life giving air that you breathe. Just before you go to sleep, do the magic practice. Do the magic practice of Magic Rock. Got it, everyone? Got it? So for today, you have to do 2 practices. Okay, so with your desires, chapter number 22 and chapter number 23, this magical air you breathe in. So 5 times or minimum 4 times you have to do. 5 breath in, breath out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out loud, like that.